In this video, I am going to discuss about solidification of pure metal and alloy. See, solidification is a fundamental process in metallurgy and includes the transformation of molten substance into solid material. So that is the definition of a solidification. Solidification includes the transformation of molten substance into solid material. Okay. See, solidification of pure metal will take place at a constant temperature, whereas the solidification of alloy occurs over a range of temperature. So that's the difference between the solidification of pure metal and alloy. Solidification of pure metal always taken place at a constant temperature, whereas solidification of alloy always taken place at a range of temperature. So first of all, solidification of pure metal. Solidification of pure metal is a process by which a pure metal cools and transforms into solid state at a specific melting point. See, pure metal have a specific and well-defined solidification temperature which is equivalent to their melting point. So during cooling or solidification of a pure metal, that takes place at a constant temperature, that is known as freezing temperature, or that is equivalent to melting point of that pure metal. So this is a graph which shows the solidification of a pure metal. So here this is a pouring temperature, liquid cooling, here freezing begins, freezing completed, solid cooling. So this is local solidification time and this is the total solidification time. Here pouring temperature, here is the pouring temperature. This is the pouring temperature and liquid cooling, freezing begins here, freezing completed here. So this is known as local solidification time and solid cooling, and from here to here this is known as total solidification time. So this is temperature time graph for solidification of pure metal. See, pure metal generally undergo minimal solidification shrinkage as their atoms closely packed together in a regular arrangement upon cooling. Next one, solidification of alloy. Solidification of alloy is a process of cooling and transforming a molten mixture of two or more elements, metal or non-metal, into a solid material with a complex microstructure. So that's the definition of solidification of alloy. Alloy do not have a single solidification temperature. Instead, they have a solidification range, temperature range. See, this is the temperature time graph of solidification of alloy. See, in the case of alloy have not a single solidification temperature. Instead of that, they have a range of solidification temperature. So this is pouring temperature, liquid cooling, freezing begin here, freezing completed here. So this solidification that is not happening in a single temperature, it will be happening in a range of temperature, and this is solid cooling, and this is total solidification time. Alloy can experience significant solidification shrinkage when compared to solidification of pure metal, especially if they form compounds with different atomic arrangement than the initial liquid phase. So this is the difference between the solidification of pure metal and solidification of alloy. So solidification of pure metal always happens at a constant temperature. Solidification of alloy, that will be always happen at a range of temperature. Okay, thank you.